Yo, hello, what's good, lovely people out there? This is your boy Minati for real. Anytime you see me, just remember it's all about promoting Ghana to Ghanaians and to the world through travel and tourism. The location for today is Oboadaka Waterfalls, right here in the eastern region of Ghana. So without wasting my time, let me introduce my friend, Jingo, Charlie.
Hello guys.
Charlie, he has been my friend since UCC, the University of Cape Coast, Charlie.
Yeah,
I,
yeah.
I, I owe my degree to this guy, Charlie. Copying his assignments and stuff like that, Charlie.
We
So,
did great. We did
Charlie,
great.
Charlie, Charlie. Luckily, we didn't embark on any serious hike because we got a bike at the town and it brought us right to the entrance of the waterfalls. Jingo, do you have anything to tell my people out there?
Well, as you said, you should just expect a waterfall. I mean,
Right, Charlie.
nice environment. I mean, you are going to enjoy it. So
Charlie,
just watch out.
watch out. Charlie, but thanks for really introducing this place to me.
You're
So,
welcome.
yeah, Charlie, so if somebody is in Accra and maybe he's coming, I want you to give them the direction.
Okay, so when you are coming from Accra, you move straight to Aburi. When you get to Aburi, you descend towards Aburi in Saom Road. You are light at a junction called Pokrom.
Pokrom.
Yeah, so from Pokrom, you can pick a motor, or if you have your own car, you follow the direction straight to this place called Oboadaka.
Oboadaka.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. So it will take about 45, less than 45 minutes if you are coming from Accra without no traffic.
wow.
Yeah. So you can see a rest or washroom here.
Charlie.
Charlie, so you can see the rocks.
Oh, Charlie.
So it's like the water is coming from the rocks and it's nicely arranged.
So now you have turned into the tour guide.
But I mean, this is so beautiful. You can hear the sound of the fall. I
Yeah.
mean, you are just close.
And what I love about this place is no plenty walking. We got a bike which just brought us right to the entrance.
Yeah.
Unlike some other waterfalls, you hike.
But once again, I like this nice arrangement of the rocks. Like, it's so fascinating. I can look at it for, I mean, a lot of minutes without getting tired.
Hello guys, Charlie. So I'm feeling the vibe. Just check out the view from it, Charlie. Come to the end of another video. When you hear Minati for real, it's all about cool locations in Ghana. I really had a great time. And Django, what do you have to tell like my people out there?
Well, as I said, you want to relax, just a short distance from Accra, you should be here. I mean, refresh yourself. And when you are done, We have a stomach clinic upstairs.
Yeah, so from here, Charlie, I've not eaten since morning. I'm very hungry. It's a stomach clinic. Eh?
Stomach clinic. Yeah.
Yeah, so we
You
are
can
going
enjoy all the bush meat around.
all the bush meat. You know, we are going to enjoy ourselves, Charlie. Charlie, do well to pass by the stomach clinic. Charlie,
It's very
it's
necessary.
very necessary, Charlie. So I'll see you guys next time. Stay safe. Come out.